everyone, Anke here with a new layout and process video for HipKit Club featuring the June 2024 hip kits. Today I create a mixed media layout using the light Ray Stencil, which is included in the June color kit, and the June 2024 Halftone Grunge Texture Stamp. And I also use some of our exclusive metal dies. I start with the layout background. I place the stencil on my layout and secure it with washi tape to keep it in place. Apply light blue ink with a blending brush. Pierce holes and add some hand stitching. Satisfied with how my background looks, so I add 2 more rays on each side. I cut out some clouds and a sun using the May 2023 Cloud Metal die set, and I also cut out a skyline from white cardstock using the June 2024 Skyline Metal die. I bag my photo with a pocket life card. Add the Skyline die cut and some die cuts from the cardstock ephemera pack, which is included in the June main kit, and from the Skyline Build a Scene die cuts pack, which you can find in the June embellishment kit. pieces from the Getting Around Town Rush Hour paper, tear off the edges and place the pieces behind my photo. To add more mixed media accents to my page, I use the June 2024 Halftone Grunge Texture Stamp and light blue ink to stamp on my background. You can see how I use the foil from the packaging of the stamp to mark the place where I want to stamp. For my title, I choose one of the cardstock and foam phrases which are included in the June embellishment kit. Now I add more die cuts. I use foam pads and tape to adhere them because that adds dimension to my page. I continue embellishing the layout with some of the puffy stickers which you can find in the June embellishment kit. I choose two of the Getting Around Town rub-ons which are included in the June main kit and place one underneath my title and the other one in the upper right corner of my photo. Some of the enamel dots also included in the June main kit. Finish with two more puffy stickers. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.